sa first video ko, second video ko. So, we are playing Granny. So this is my first time, and I saw a lot of Granny videos seeing on my For You page. So we are gonna try because it looks more funnier than I thought. Oh my god, this is already scarier than I thought. Okay, no music. Okay, so be quiet, cheers, everything. Keep in mind that you should drop by the use head for the best. Okay guys, I'm so scared. Maybe I'll create more Granny videos. And on TikTok, of course. The TikTok account is I love cats, right? Okay, so please follow my account. See more Granny videos and I like post more. Okay, I'm ending this video. Oh my god, nanay, gusto ko na mauwi. Bye. Granny? Granny? Where's Granny? Okay, let's see where's Granny. Granny? Where are you, Granny? Granny? Granny, where are you? Granny? Granny? Oh, where's Granny? Hello, Granny. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Hey. Okay, so, yeah. This is scarier than I thought. I haven't played Granny in a while. Granny? 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 Come here. Come here, Granny. Granny, why are you so slow? Oh my god. This is scary. Oh my god. I can't even Granny? Granny! Granny, come on. Come on, Granny. Okay. Oh, no, just no.